Hey there, my name's Nick. I'm one of the founders here at FitFocus, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how our workout program builder works. The first thing you'll notice when you hop into a program inside of FitFocus is that it looks a whole lot like a spreadsheet, and that's completely on purpose. We know that coaches like yourself love the flexibility and the speed that a spreadsheet gives you when it comes to creating programs for your clients, and we wanted to make sure that we gave you that exact same speed and flexibility inside of FitFocus when it came to our program builder because we just wanted to make it as simple as we possibly could for you. You might then be thinking, well, if I get a spreadsheet as a coach, what do my clients get? They'll see a much more mobile friendly version of their program that is extremely quick and easy for them to use when they're inside the gym logging their workouts. In the program builder, when it comes to adding exercises, it's really, really simple. All you got to do is hit exercise, simply type in the exercise, like say something like squats, select the exercise that you want, give it the amount of sets that they've got to do, and however many reps that you might have. Enter in things like weight or intensity, and you're done. It's really, really that simple. And when it comes to programming in FitFocus, it's completely custom. So you can literally type whatever you want. So let's say something like reps rather than doing sort of a fixed sort of set or a fixed rep range, so something like 6 reps, maybe you want them to do 6 to 8 reps, like a range, or maybe you want them to do unilateral, so you might be able to say 6 each side. You can literally type whatever you want in here, and we'll display that to your client in a really easy to use format. If let's say you're adding an exercise and it doesn't exist in the library, so let's just say something like we'll do say box squats 1 inch. If it doesn't exist, simply click create new and we'll handle it adding it automatically to your library, and then you can sort of go make any adjustments that you need to do after the fact. So really, really easy, really, really, really cool. The one of the really cool features that we also have when it comes to our program builder is the ability to apply automated progressions. And we currently support a variety of different progressions, including RPE, 1 rep max, and even things like weight-based sort of increases. So let's say we're doing an RPE style programming here for say squats. We want them to do say 3 sets at 5 reps, and we want them to start at 6 RPE. All you need to do when it comes to the RPE progression is simply type in how much you want it to increase by, say, every single week. So let's say we want to do zero point 0.5 each week. And what FitFocus will do is it'll automatically calculate the adjustments that needs to be done for that exercise week on week. So you can see here in week 2, it says 6.5 RPE. In week 3, it says 7, so on and so forth. And let's say you don't like what it says in week 3 and you want to make an adjustment to it, simply just make that adjustment. So rather than doing 7 RPE, I want them to do 6.5, make that adjustment, and it'll automatically figure it out for you. So really, really cool because it just automatically works it out for you. So you don't have to go into every single week, every single day to sort of make those adjustments. It makes it super convenient, super cool. You also have the ability when it comes to sort of exercises and workouts is, to add things like a date. So let's say you want your client to do this particular workout on a very specific date, you can simply add that. Or you want to change the name of the workout day, so you can make it say upper body as an example, or whatever it might be. We give you that complete flexibility, including things like notes that you can add for the exercise. So you can add things like, focus on time under tension, and that will appear for your client inside the FitFocus application for them, which is really, really cool. Another really cool thing that you get is the program insights that we give you when it comes to a client. So simply click on more info, insights, and you'll be able to see things like fatigue, training volume, and training ratings over time. So that way, when you program for your client, you can get this insights to make it more personalized for them. And last but not least, or one of the last things, we also support the ability to have versions inside of FitFocus. So rather than having to make a completely brand new program every time you need to make a change to a client, let's just say in this program, instead of doing 3 sets of dips, I now actually want them to do 4 sets of dips. Usually you'd have to make a brand new program. Inside of FitFocus, you can make whatever change you want, simply create new version, and we'll handle all of the rest. So that way then you don't have to make a brand new program from scratch. And you can then easily see the different versions and all of the changes that you've got for a program inside of FitFocus by clicking through versions. Last but not least, we also support the ability to have templates inside of FitFocus. So if you've got like base programs that you apply to clients, simply create a template and then you can apply it to any client for them going forward. We honestly think our program builder is literally the best in the market, and we've designed it to make your life easier as a coach. So honestly, would love to get your feedback. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day. See ya.